Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. The Dark-Rock Pro 6 offers extremely high cooling performance and virtually inaudible operation. It is excellent for heavily overclocked systems and demanding workstations. New product from Be Quiet. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. I like the packaging, very safe. Whoa, this is a beast. Dark-Rock Pro. Included we have the manuals, one thermal paste, screwdriver, I like it, Be Quiet, mounting set for AMD, all you need is in this bag, same and for the Intel. Wow, amazing design. The top cover features a brushed aluminum badge. Be Quiet. The middle fan is attached to the top cover for easy installation. Two custom-designed, virtually inaudible silent wings PWM fans with advanced fluid dynamic bearings, 3-phase 6-pole motors with optimized fan blades and tight tip clearance to increase air pressure and improve airflow. The connections. You need to connect the front fan with the middle fan. There it is. And it locks beautifully. Of course, before installing the middle fan, install the cooler at your CPU. And then you can make the connection here. And then PWM connection to your motherboard. We have a semi-passive quiet mode with full fan stop for completely silent operation. Use the hardware switch to toggle between performance and quiet modes. Performance, quiet. So easy. Located at the middle fan, at the base. 7 optimized high-performance heat pipes provide immense cooling power. As a result, this high-end cooler keeps your CPU at peak performance at all times, even in heavily overclocked systems and demanding workstations. The special ceramic particle black coating and side cover create the elegant signature look of the Be Quiet. I mean, it looks amazing. Everyone needs this cooler. Amazing design. Thanks to its nickel-plated base, Dark-Rock 6 and Dark-Rock Pro 6 are compatible with liquid metal thermal grease such as DC2 Pro. Peel off label before you use it. The high adjustable front fan features a rail system and heatsink cutouts to ensure high compatibility with RAM and VRM coolers. Definitely it can fit at most PC cases. By the way, in the description below you can watch all the big white products, including the Dark Rock Pro 5, which is the oldest model. So stay tuned for my next video, in which I will test the Pro 6 and review its performance. See you in the next one!